Hello, welcome to Science Academy. Today we are going to learn about friction. Friction is also a type of a force. It is opposes the motion. It is a type of a contact force as two surfaces comes in contact and then the friction acts. Comes into existence when two bodies in contact move relative to each other. Friction is less between smooth surfaces and more between rough surfaces. Friction reduces when lubricant is used at contact surface like oil and grease. Friction produces static electricity on plastic ebonite glass. Flintstones, when rubbed on each other, produce spark due to friction. Stone Age man used to ignite fire. Vehicles require friction between tire and the road. Tires have groove on the outer surface of the increased friction. Road surface is also sometimes made rough. Sawdust is spread on slippery roads covered with ice or oil to grease friction. On oily road with less friction, vehicles can skid. Brakes can stop vehicles as friction reduces speed. Hence, brakes have rough surface to increase friction. If oil is put in brake, vehicles will not brake properly and it can skid. Frictional force is less in water. It is not possible to apply brakes in a moving ship in water. Speed of a ship has to be reduced by reversing the propeller fan. We need friction for walking on the road. It is easy to walk on a rough road. We find it difficult to walk on an oily or polished surface. Surface of the ramps on railway station are made rough to increase friction. Banana skin on a road make a slippery, it reduces friction. Stone of riverbeds get rubbed each other on each and become rounded. Their edges are cut off due to friction. When rub matchstick against the matchbox, fire is produced due to friction. Grindstone in flour mill is made abrasive rough periodically to increase friction between food grains and grindstone. Friction is required for grinding food grains. Rolling friction is less than sliding friction. Disadvantages of friction and ways to overcome it. Friction causes wear and tear in machines. To reduce this wear, oil and grease is used to lubricate the machine parts. Ball bearings are used to reduce friction. While playing carom, boric powder is sprayed on board reduces friction between board and rocks. Air water also produces frictions for high-speed trains, cars, airplanes, ships, fishes, and birds. To increase and reduce this friction, the body is tapering narrow at the both ends. It is also called a streamlined shape or a streamlined body. Objects entering into Earth's atmosphere from outside get burned off due to heat produced by friction with atmosphere as in case of meteors and asteroids.